greetings from Informatica. I hope you guys are doing absolutely good and welcome to my channel. So as per the thumbnail and title, you are very much at the right place if you want to know regarding Comet K. Why Comet K? I will be talking Q Comet K. Why Comet K? Because see, right now JEE Mains first phase is almost over. Many of you might be thinking, yaar, kare to kare kya? Percentile is not up to the mark from where you can get a great college. Means see, every candidate in class 12 is means kind of they are pursuing engineering in order to grab a IT job, software job, consulting job, or related jobs. Okay, they might have some aspiration there, bhaiya, or they might be seeing societies or anyone that yes, this field has an opportunity to get a software job and that are a good paying job. Many of you might be thinking like that, and yes. For that you are planning an engineering. बहुत लोग की interest होगी, बहुत लोग की flow होगी. So why Comet K? I will be talking. Why you should definitely apply to Comet K if you are under 50 to 80 percentile of JEE Mains. Okay. And yes, before starting the video, पहले introduce कर देता हूँ अपने आप को. Just like you all guys, I am also an engineering grad. Okay, graduated, working in an IT company since last 3-4 years, and it's like I'm having I want to this phase. I was also into this phase, so I thought this is the kind of problem that many candidates are facing in order to decide at this क्रॉसरोड. ओके, सो आई थॉट चलो वीडियो बनाते हैं, कुछ हेल्प आपको हो जाएगा. अगर आप कॉमेट के को एंड टू एंड एनालिसिस चाहते हो, दैट वाई कॉमेट के, वाई शुड यू आल्सो अपीयर फॉर यूनिकॉज, कौन से कॉलेजेस यूनिकॉज में आते हैं, कौन से कॉलेजेस कॉमेट के पे आते हैं, एप्लीकेशन फीस क्या है, एग्जामिनेशन कब है, एप्लीकेशन स्टार्ट कब है, एंड कब हो रही है, वेदर द कॉलेजेस आर गुड और नॉट इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्लेसमेंट, मॉक टेस्ट कैसा होगा, सिटीज कहाँ जाके एग्जाम देना होगा, एवरीथिंग आई एम गोइंग टू कवर इन दिस वीडियो. तो यार चैनल पे नए हो, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना. आई विल ट्राई टू कवर ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. स्टिल इफ यू आर डिप्रेस्ड, इफ यू आर वेरी मच वरीड कि हाँ कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा भाई, करे तो करे क्या, बिकॉज आई नो यू आर इन दैट फेज वेयर यू विल बी वेरी मच into the crossroad to decide कि भाई मेरे को करना है तो करना क्या है. Because see, in the competition of this 12 लाख ना सीट्स अगर 30,000 है तो भाई आप कितने भी तेज हो जाओ, सिंपल लॉजिक मैं बता रहा हूँ भाई, कोई ना कोई तो पीछे होगा ही ना. सिंपल लॉजिक अपने एक्सपीरियंस से बता रहा हूँ. यू माइट बी वेरी गुड इन मैथ्स, यू माइट बी वेरी गुड इन फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बट यस मे बी आपका मोमेंट उस दिन नहीं अच्छा रहा हो, मे बी एग्जाम का दिन आपका अच्छा ना हो, जिसकी वजह से यू मीन्स नॉट एबल टू स्कोर दैट आप कर सकते थे. होता है ऐसा, दिन पे डिपेंड करता है. और एट द एंड अगर 12 लाख की क्राउड है तो भाई पहले 30,000 रैंक को ही अच्छे कॉलेजेस एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं ना. मतलब गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस, आईटी कॉलेजेस, मींस आईटी देन आईटी गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस. सो उसके बाद तो ऑप्शन लेके चलना होगा. लाइक यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द रियलिटी. सो मैं बस सजेस्ट करूंगा, अगर आप 50 to 80 परसेंटाइल के बीच में आ रहे हो तो एकदम कंपलसरी भरना. इवन इफ यू आर हैविंग अ गुड परसेंटाइल, यू कैन ट्राई फॉर अ गुड कॉलेज ऑल्सो ओवर हियर इन टर्म्स ऑफ ब्रांच. अगर ब्रांच चाहिए, सीएससी चाहिए तो आप कर सकते हो. और इसके बाद भी, इस वीडियो के बाद भी आपको लगे भाई पर्सनल कनेक्ट करना है मेरे से, तो कमेंट में पहले पूछ लो, इंस्टाग्राम पे पूछ सकते हो. उसके बाद भी अगर नहीं मन भर रहा है, लाइक यू वांट टू टॉक मोर, यू नीड पर्सनल एनालिसिस, you can connect with me personally. 10-minute slots are, I also have 10-minute slots so that at least in 10 minutes you get an idea कि क्या जानना चाहते हो इसके बारे में. 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour slots are there. Connect with me personally. I will be helping you out as per your choice. Okay, as per your requirement, because each individual have a different requirement and a mentor is very important in order to show you the right path, what exactly is required. ये सब बातें को साइड करो, पहले बताओ एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया क्या है. बिकॉज एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन ऑर्डर टू अपीयर इन एनी ऑफ द एग्जामिनेशन. अगर आप एलिजिबल ही नहीं हो तो भाई फॉर्म भर के क्या फायदा. सो 50% एग्रीगेट चाहिए पीसीएम में. ओके, इफ यू आर अ ड्रॉप आउट स्टूडेंट यू माइट बी हैविंग एन आइडिया अबाउट योर मार्क्स. इफ यू आर नॉट अ ड्रॉप आउट स्टूडेंट, डू अपीयर इन द एग्जाम, डेफिनेटली विल बी गेटिंग दिस अमाउंट. Okay, after that, how the examination pattern is like, they will be asking 60 MCQ from physics, chemistry and maths. And yes, there is no negative marking as per them and +1 mark for every correct answer. But I would recommend you, as the crowd will be more, there will be no negative marking. But yes, the person who will be doing more negative, their rank will be little lower in terms of the person who is doing less negative. So see, try to, if you are half sure also, you can put a correct mark. But yes, somewhere it will be there. Means I can say somewhere it can be there if you are doing more negative, because they will not reveal. This also happened in VIT and that is my personal. मीन्स कैसे रैंकिंग कैसे एनालाइज करेंगे, रैंकिंग एनालाइज करने का बहुत सारा पैटर्न होगा ना. सो ट्राई टू पुट एज मच पॉजिटिव. अगर हाफ श्योर भी हो तो दे दो आंसर, बट आप पूरे श्योर हो कि गलत मार रहे हो तो छोड़ दो, नो इश्यूज. आफ्टर दैट यूडी मतलब कि कॉमेट की एग्जाम की बहुत ही एक अच्छी बात है दैट दे आर नॉट कॉलिंग यू टू बैंगलोर फॉर एग्जामिनेशन. सो दिस इज अ पर्क राइट नाउ दैट यस you can appear this exam from your nearby town. Multiple states, multiple cities have been allocated, and yes, directly you can fill up the form, and yes, from there you can appear the exam. 5-6 साल पहले की अगर मैं बात करूं, 5-6-7 साल पहले तो बैंगलोर आना पड़ता था एग्जाम के लिए, बट yes, from 2017-18 ये सिचुएशन ऐसा हो गया कि they are allowing us. Okay, so what is the eligibility criteria I talked about? Okay. So there are multiple n number of colleges that is being into the Comet K, like top college RV Ramaiah BMS, RV Ramaiah BMS. BMS are the good colleges. After that there are also RNS IT, Bangalore Institute of Technology, Siddhganga Institute of Technology. There are n number of colleges. What I would say, I will be giving you the list. I will be checking the ranking, latest ranking, and will be definitely providing you. It's not only limited to Bangalore, but for all the Karnataka colleges, there are n number of colleges that they are having. Now let's talk about the important dates that you should definitely mark. Like 1st Feb they have opened the application, and 5th April they will be closing the application. So literally if you are coming under 50 to 80 percentile of JEE mains, my request, bhai, this is one time event, okay? 1800 रुपए चार्ज कर रहे हैं, no worries. But if you are going into a wrong college now, you will definitely regret by paying more monies also, donation also. I would not recommend anyone to do all those things. Definitely you should appear in multiple exam and get a college from there only. You can appear from Comet K, VIT, SRM, KIT, state colleges examination, and lots of examinations are there. Appear in all examinations. Definitely will be bagging a seat what you exactly deserve. Okay, you don't have to pay to anyone in order to get a seat. They are just faking in the market. Those who are trying to take money in order to get you a seat, it's literally not worth. Many more time scams are there. Don't try to be into that. Even you could, it's better to appear in multiple colleges. So this is one time event ना, बार बार आप comment की नहीं दे सकते हो. You can only appear 2 times. So better you should pay 1800 rupees plus the convenience charge, whatever that is 1800-1900 rupees. If you only want to appear in Comet K, if you want to appear in Unigoj also, Unigoj is like they are having another segment. Like there are multiple university right now in Bangalore. Okay, multiple university, like I am talking about. Let's talk about few of the university. It's like Reva University, Dayanand Sagar University, Ramaiah University, MIT School, Jain University, KL University. There are lots of universities that are coming under Unigoj. So Unigoj give you a more option in order to not only study under the college which are under the VTU, but yes, they are a self autonomous university. From there you can apply and get a course. Yes, Unigoj, getting a seats in Unigoj is comparatively easy than getting a seats good seats in Comet K. So see, Unigoj, if you are appearing, you have to pay 2950 plus GST or convenience and whatever it is. There may be 3000 or something like that. If you are only appearing to Comet K, it's like 1800 plus convenience fee. So be ready for this. And yes, if you are a real means a serious aspirant, do apply it. Because what I am telling, why I am telling, see, Bangalore is a kind of a startup capital of India right now. Gurgaon, बोलेंगे बहुत लोग Gurgaon भी है, but yes, Bangalore has sort of startup that are hiring from their nearby colleges. See, MNC का तो प्लान होता है, टाई अप होता है मल्टीपल यूनिवर्सिटी से कि हाँ ले लेंगे. बट क्यों बैंगलोर के कॉलेजेस में एक अच्छा ग्राफ चला जाता है, एवरेज पैकेज ऊपर चला जाता है? क्योंकि जो एमएनसी से जो पैकेज ऑफर होता है अच्छे सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग रोल्स के लिए स्टार्टअप के थ्रू, दैट इज मच मोर. ओके, दैट इज ऑल्सो गुड एक्सपोजर, गुड लर्निंग एंड ऑल. स्टार्टअप्स में जाओगे बहुत सीखने को मिलेगा टेक्नोलॉजी के रिलेटेड, बिकॉज यू विल बी लोडेड ओवर देयर. बट इज इन एमएनसी इट्स टोटली डिपेंड अपॉन द काइंड ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट you are allocated to. So there are lots of startups, they are coming nearby colleges in order to hire candidates. So yes, that will be an extra plus point for you all. Even service IT industry, software companies, product based companies are having pool campus drive in Bangalore. So Bangalore के कॉलेजेस में ये थोड़ा पर्क्स मिल जाता है कि only it's not limited to big four service IT or consulting, but yes, more than that you can get startups, lots of good startups option. Okay, that can give you a great opportunity also. See, many of people may be saying that yes, you go to MNC, why to startup? But as a fresher, if you start in a good project in startups, definitely the learning cannot be beatable with any of the company. It's sure that you will be getting a lots of learning there. So for that reason, I am telling that you should appear. After that, the colleges are quite good. Okay, colleges are quite good in terms of campus assistant, placement assistant. Fee details I talk about. Now, average college fees क्या होगा जो गवर्नमेंट के का होता है? See, last year it was like for 4 years it was coming like 14-15. Okay, 14-15. But this year still they haven't allocated that what will be that their things. After that, the syllabus that they are. The syllabus that they are going to expect from you all guys, that what exactly they will be asking. You can expect what kind of syllabus, 11, 12 whole syllabus that you can expect from them. Okay, filling of application form is open. Please fill the application form. If you need any assistant while filling the application form also, you can connect with me personally. I can personally guide you up that yes, how you can fill the application form through TopMate. You can book a slot with me. I can fill the application. You can also check up the input that what exactly you can do more, because see, every individual is different. See, everyone is different and everyone is different in some or the other way. It's not like that you're missing out IITs and IITs, you're missing out everything. In big companies, any companies, you are seeing there are candidates from multiple colleges. Not only Bangalore colleges, there will be any state colleges also which are where you don't miss the colleges that you don't know actually. From there also you can find a candidate. So yeah, no worries. परसेंटाइल लो आई है, एक और अटेम्प्ट है जेईई मेंस में, अच्छे से दे दो. बट हाँ, कॉमेट के का एग्जाम फिल कर देना. इवन इफ यू नीड टू नो मोर रिगार्डिंग कोई भी कॉलेज के बारे में, अगर आप भर रहे हो अभी कॉमेट के का काउंसलिंग में भर रहे हो, check out my TopMate link, book a slot with me, get a suggestion, get an input, because yes, a mentor is important and yes, I am having some experience in this part, so definitely I can help you out in some or the other way. Comment करके पूछ लो भाई, Instagram पे पूछ लो, जहाँ से भी पूछना पूछ लो, I am always ready to help you out. For more such video, don't subscribe. For more such video, do subscribe my channel. And if you like this video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up. If you think this video needs some more information, do put up in the comment box that what you are expecting from this video. चलो वीडियो पे यहाँ तक रखते हैं, मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो में एक नई इन्फॉर्मेटिव कंटेंट के साथ. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर एंड बाय बाय.